His name is Dukman, one of my cats. And let me tell you that the most powerful, scientifically validated intervention to lower your blood pressure, fix your gut microbiome, and extend your lifespan isn't sold in a pharmacy. We spend billions of dollars every year on stress management apps, specialized diets, and cardiovascular supplements. But it turns out, having a furry roommate drastically alters your cellular biology. You may think, well Nima, pets make people happy, and happy people live longer. That's partly true, but most importantly, cardiovascular data tells a completely different story. It's not just a psychological boost. It's a literal chemical and structural change in your body combining with a staggering percentage drop in mortality risk that will make you pay more attention. So let's talk about what is actually happening inside your cardiovascular system when you interact with an animal. In 2019, the American Heart Association published an incredibly comprehensive meta-analysis reviewing nearly 4 million people over 70 years of data. They were looking what actually happens for the dog owners. The results were absolutely jaw-dropping. Dog owners had 24% reduced risk of all-cause mortality. That means 24% lower chance of dying from any cause. But crazy part is, when people who had already suffered a heart attack owning a dog reduced the risk of cardiovascular death by 31%. What does actually mean? Is it because the dog owners walk more? Walking is great, but the real magic is a mechanism I call the Furry Beta-Blocker. When you start petting your cat or dog, your brain releases a massive surge of oxytocin, the bonding hormone. But oxytocin doesn't just make you feel warm and fuzzy. It acts as a psychological brake pedal for your nervous system. It drops your systemic cortisol and immediately lowers your blood pressure. But what if you have a cat? Do you miss out on the longevity benefits? Absolutely not. Cats provide the exact same oxytocin loop, but they come with a biological superpower, the healing frequency. A cat's purr especially vibrates between 20 and 150 Hz. In human medicine, these exact sound frequencies have been shown in clinical trials to improve bone density, repair tendons, and reduce pain swelling. So next time your cat sitting on your chest isn't just taking a nap, but they are administering a therapy that can actually repair your bones. That's too cute, I know. And finally, the elephant in the room, the biome bridge. We live in ultra-sanitized, heavily bleached environments, which is destroying our gut microbiome diversity. When your cat or dog goes outside, rolls in the dirt, and comes back in your home, they act as a biological bridge. They bring harmless, diverse environmental microbes in your living space. And numerous studies shows that children that was raised in homes with dogs have significantly lower rate of asthma and allergies because this daily microbial exposure trains their immune system not to overreact to the world. So how we can use this as an advantage to live longer? Step 1. The 10 minutes oxytocin anchor. Having a pet in the same room as you are is not enough to flip the biological switch. You have to engage in intentional contact. So once a day, drop everything. No phone, no TV. Spend 10 minutes uninterrupted, petting, brushing, or playing with your pet. Keep eye contact when it's possible. This sustained visual feedback loop is the exact threshold required to spike your oxytocin and plummet your blood pressure. Step 2. The dirt tolerance rule. Stop trying to keep your environment perfectly sterile. Unless your dog just rolled in something toxic or nasty, don't aggressively wipe their paws with antibacterial wipes every single time they step inside. Allow that micro-level environment dirt into your home. Think of it as a free daily invisible probiotic for your gut microbiome. Step 3. The biome hack. What if you don't own a pet? Don't worry, your brain doesn't care who owns the pet. It just cares about the interaction. So, volunteer at a local animal shelter once a week. Offer to walk your busy neighbor's dog or visit a cat cafe. Just 20 minutes of interaction twice a week is enough to lower your resting cortisol. And a pro tip, I recommend you to pet your pets immediately after you came home. A study shows that when you're commuting from your work, your cortisol levels are pretty high. So we can conclude, aging optimally isn't just about the food you eat or the weight you lift. Sometimes the most effective medicine is the connection we share with the biological world around us. So stop viewing your pet as just a responsibility. They are a living, breathing health intervention and your little furry partner in longevity. I want to hear from you. What kind of pets do you have? And do you actually feel lower stress when you pet them? Let me know in the comments below. And once again, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.